Hello worldies, how are you today? Welcome to the Joy of Makerpen. Today on the Joy of Makerpen, I'm going to show you how I made my door work. What do you think? It opens and then it closes on its own. Kind of cool, huh? I'll show you how I did it. Come on, we'll have fun. When we started this project, I needed to get a few things out on my Makerpen. So I went to circuits, and the first thing I needed was a piston. Just like this. The second thing that I needed was an interaction volume. And it kind of shows up looking like a pink little square, just like this. And the last thing that I needed, I'm going to go to circuits and to view more. This is a very commonly used one, so I'm going to go to commonly used and I'm going to get myself a delay chip, just like that one. So I put my interaction volume right here so that when I hover over it, it pops up a little thing which you guys can't see, unfortunately, because of the cameras, but it says use, and you can change that to say open door or pick this up or interact or whatever words you want to put in there. You can put into that particular thing over here on the interaction prompt right here on this chip. So if you want to change that, what you're going to do is you're going to use the connect button on your Makerpen. You're going to hover over that and you can change that string to say whatever it is you want it to say. And what you're going to be seeing is your interaction prompt will pop up on Makerpen, and you can type in open door, and then you're going to say done. And now you can see that it says open door on here. So when I go over and I touch this, it's going to say open door. And it's going to open the door for me. The next thing I did was I brought in my piston. When you spawn it in, it's going to be straight up and down so that this gold part is at the top. And you can just rotate it quarter turn so that it's going the direction that you want it to go. Put it in place. Next thing you're going to do is you're still on your connect, and you're going to connect the gold pin inside this to your door. You can see right here there's a little brown line right there. When I do this, that line goes away. I have disconnected that. But all you have to do to connect it is go right back, and there it is. It's connected again to the door. The next thing I want to show you is the max distance. On the max distance, when it spawns in, it is by default going to be on 5. And you can change that to whatever you want it to be, however far you want that piston to move. I've got it at 1 because I only need it to move about 3 feet or 1 meter. That's what this 1 stands for, is 1 meter. Then I've got a delay chip. My delay chip is set so that once the door opens, it will stay open for about 15 seconds. So I've got 15 in that delay. It's got a little S on it that says, in parentheses, that's reminding you that it's seconds. So when I hooked it all up, I started off with my interaction volume. So on use, it will play my piston, and after it's played my piston, it'll come down here and hit the delay for 15 seconds. And once that 15-second delay is over, it comes back up and it will reverse, which will close the door. That's how this works. It's very simple. So if you're interested in making things like this, having doors that open and close or shutters that go up and down, whatever it is that you think you'd like to make, I suggest you get into those CV2 chips and start playing with them. Ask some questions. There's some amazing videos on YouTube by RCL Man and a couple of other really good YouTubers who really will help you get the idea of how to do this down. But for now, I think I'll just go inside. Bye.